K1MAXIMUM. K6MAX.
Hello there YouTube! Today we have 8 crucial upgrades to the Creality K1MAX. These upgrades make the K1MAX a more reliable, faster, less or no ringing at all, better looking, better air circulation, in general a much more convenient 3D printer. I want to send out my shout outs to Retro D aka Island Boy and Owens aka Manta from the movie Aquaman. I'm using their designs in this video, and if you use my coupon code you will get around 25% discount. As first I want to show you the top lid riser in ABS and the silicon sealant in TPU 90A or 95A. Thanks to this mod your PTFE tubing is in less stress and you get better flow rates out of the standard flow and better consistent extruding lines. What you also get from this is the ability to choose how much ventilation you install on the top. You can see the ventilation ports here. As you wish, you can also install in the front, the left, on the back. It's all up to you, wherever you want to install these. So you have the ability to have these, or you can also make it a full closed loop, which is all up to you. The silicon sealant is sitting right on top of the top lid riser, which is here. So this one is actually gapping the top lid, that like as you are closing it, it just gaps it in, like this. It sits perfectly on top of there. Third mod is going along with the top lid riser. It's to replace your runout sensor for easy accessibility, and now that you're at it you can disassemble the runout sensor and take out the spring that's pushing the filament sensor up. Do this only if you're having problem to push the filament through the filament sensor when changing or reloading a filament. You don't have to take out the spring if it works flawlessly for you. Fourth mod is a side spool filament holder. Can be printed in PLA, PETG or ABS. For better durability you can choose for PETG or ABS. I love this mod because it makes it so easy to change spools. I no longer have to reach all the way to the back printer to change spools.
This video is sponsored by PCBWay.com, the world's go-to supplier for premium custom circuit boards. Tell us what you need, then let us design and manufacture your PCBs to the highest level. Low print runs and 24-hour turnarounds with assembly starting from just $5. Get an instant quote and join our online community at PCBWay.com.
Fifth mod is removing the stock cable chain, the springs in front of the hot end, which puts extra stress on your x-axis when doing certain movements. This also helps to reduce the ringing on your K1MAX. As you guys can see, I took it off here, and you can reuse it if you want to later. It doesn't break or anything. Sixth mod is changing the stock hot end shroud to this awesome looking one where you can install a Konami for example, or like I did, a logo that you like. The shroud itself is highly recommended to be printed in ABS, PETG or PET carbon fiber, which is what I did. As you can see, this is carbon fiber PET, and it really is nice looking mod. And you're also using the stock hot end fan. You don't have to change anything on the hot end. This also makes it from 3 head holes to cool down your print to one, which is much more powerful, that is going from the front to the back, so that it really without any effort it's cooling your prints because all the air flow is concentrated into one hole only. Seventh mod is the PTFE tubing angle tube. This mod is a must-have and is also helping with reducing the extrusion problems on the K1MAX. I'm talking about this one, so it just angles it better that your PTFE tubing goes like a angle towards to your hot end, and also these cable clips coming with it, so it's a way of putting it. So as you guys can see, when I'm moving my hot end around, you see that the cable follows all the way around without any problems. 8, and for now the last mod, is a camera re-angle adapter. I didn't like the stock camera angle of the K1MAX, and with this mod you can point the camera as you wish. I made mine look a bit higher so that I can see more of the prints in time-lapse and live views. I installed all these mods in about an hour or two, and so far I'm loving all of them. Here are some time lapses on the prints that I've made after I installed all these mods. Enjoy! I hope you guys like this video with these cool mods and are willing to try these out and get all these improvements in your 3D printing journey with the K1MAX. And without forgetting, there is a giveaway in March, which is next month, for 3 Garolite plates. So there will be 3 random winners that can win €75 coupons, which will buy you a Garolite plate from VPS Data's website. To participate on this giveaway, you simply go to this video on the right corner here. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and in the description of the same video, write #giveaway. That's it. So anyways guys, hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, hit the thumbs down if you didn't like the video, subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this in the future. Bye!